Hello students, today we are going to take present perfect tense as well as past perfect tense. Both are important and both are necessary. Now we shall discuss regarding the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense indicating an action which has just ended. It means an action has been already ended in the past, but the result of which we can see or we can feel in the present. For that, present perfect tense have been used. For example, we have won the match. It means an actions regarding the match has already been completed. But as far as the happiness of winning is concerned, still we are able to celebrating. It means the effect is still continued. At that time, present perfect tense is used. Now, some of the words by which we can know in the sentence and we can recognize that particular sentence in the rectification of the error as a present perfect tense, the signs or the words. Which are these words? Just now, already, since, for, never, yet, just now, recently, such type of the word, never, or since. Such all these words are used, which all are indicating as the present perfect tense. But keep in your mind an action which has just ended, but we can still feel of that an action, whatever the result, either good or bad. Now, what is the syntax? Syntax of assertive sentence of present perfect tense is subject, have or has, past participle means we3 plus object and other words. We can see here in the verbs, in the sentences, that they have just taken lunch. Here they, that is why we'll have to use have. But with he, she, it, we will have to use has. They have just is indicating it is the sentence of present perfect tense. We have or they have just taken lunch. It means process of the lunch has already been finished, but still the belly, the stomach is full. That is why we can feel whatever the result of that even in the present time. For that, present perfect tense is used. The manager has finished his duty just now. We have already visited this temple. So, all these words, even we can say in other word, he has just finished his homework. She has just completed her food. So, such type of the so many examples we can give for present perfect tense. So, we had already discussed the assertive sentence. Now, we will discuss negative sentence. Now, which are the negative sentence and which of the format? Here we can see subject as it is, and then thereafter we can say have, has, past participle, and generally not will be used here. In addition, we can see here that they have not just taken lunch. They subject have or has according to subject, Thereafter we will have to add not just taken. Taken is the V3 or past participle. Lunch and just is indicating the sentence of this particular tense. The manager has not finished his duty just now. Just now is also indicating the present perfect tense. So we can see here it is the very simple. An action is already occurred, but its effect is still on. We can say now we will go for an interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence or in question sentence, generally have or has will come first. Thereafter subject, then past participle, then other words, either object or preposition or any place, adverb clause or anything else. So here we can say, have they taken lunch yet? Have they taken not lunch yet? Has the manager finished his duty just now? So we can see it is only an interrogative sentence in which have or has will come first. So in the rectification of the error, you will have to memorize all indicating word. According to that, you will have to rectify the error of that particular paragraph. Okay, now next one. Here you can see present perfect tense. Three forms are already given. Here affirmative is there, negative is there, and interrogative is there. Have, has plus participle form. Here example is already given. He has played. Then negative, he has not played. We had already earlier discussed. And in the questioner form, as will come first. So here has. Okay. And if any WH word, then we will have to add here before have or has. Okay. What has he played? How has he played? Such type of the words we can use an interrogative present perfect tense. So here you can see short form. Have not means haven't, has not means hasn't. So it is the present perfect tense. And sometimes what happen, sometimes the results of which even today we can feel, at that time we can also use. For example, my uncle has got an MA degree in mathematics. I have seen the Taj Mahal. So all these have the still effect of the past. For that, present perfect tense has been used. Now we will go for past perfect tense. Now, how can we recognize the past perfect tense? Some of the indicators are after, before, and because. But keep in your mind, past perfect tense suggests an earlier past. So, there will be two sentences in which one sentence will be of the simple past tense and other will be past perfect tense sentence. So here we can recognize it will be very easy for, because the past perfect tense suggests an earlier past. When we are already talking about the past actions, we will have to use the past perfect tense to refer an actions that took have earlier. Okay. So for example, we will take some of the example, and before that it is necessary for all of us to learn the syntax. Subject, head, V3 or past participle plus other words, object and such. Example, Dinesh Bhai had finished his work before the manager came from Tapovan. Here you can see two sentences are here. For example, Dinesh Bhai had already finished the work. Before, this is the past tense form. Manager came, past tense. So here we can see it is the past of the past, had finished. So before arrival of the manager, Dinesh Bhai had already finished his work. So here you can see it is the past of the past. It is the deeper past in already we can say. So here you can see some of the words. Here two sentences are there. One is of the past tense, simple past tense, and another is the past perfect tense. And here the word before. Such type of the words like before, after, ago, all are indicating of the past perfect tense. Now in the second sentence, he became sorry after had insulted me. We can see here are the two sentences. He became sorry and after he had insulted me. After he had insulted me. So we can see here this is the past tense, but before that the actions regarding the insult to me had already been done. So this is the past perfect tense. Now the next, I had seen this movie before. We can see here it is the too much past. An action had been done in past of the past. I had seen this movie before. I had already seen this movie. And if these sentences, if we want to use in the negative form, very simple, we will have to add the not after had. They had not raised fund for this temple. I had not sent an application for that before the due date. So all are indicators by which we can easily recognize the past perfect tense. Thereafter, we can see interrogative sentence. In an interrogative sentence, generally like have and has, had will come first. Had plus subject plus V3 or past participle and object and other words. For example, had Dinesh Bhai finished his work before the manager came from Tapovan? So here you can see two sentences are there. This is the simple past tense. It is the V2. The manager is already came, but before that, Dinesh Bhai had already finished the work. So it is an interrogative sentence. That is why had has been used at the initial stage. And thereafter, had Sachin already done half century before the lunch time? Either yes or no. So lunch time is already occurred, but before that, this action had already been occurred. So we can say it is the past of the past. Had I studied the map before I went on tour? So we can say went past tense, and had I studied, it is the past perfect tense. So through which we can learn very easily all this, and we can also recognize, because when such type of the sentence in which before, ago, all are used, we can say that which type of the sentence are this. And now it is very easy. All these three are given: affirmative sentence or assertive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. So past participle form, he had played, he had not played, and questionnaire, had he not played. And maybe possible if you want to use WH word or how word, then we can use such type of so many words. Okay, and that is why we can say why had he not played. Okay, where had he not played, how had he not played. And sometimes when is also used. When I reached Mohit's house, he had left for school. So Mohit left for school, an action that happened before that. That is why. And before that, which past action? I reached Mohit house. Okay, so we can give so many example like this. Thank you very much.